Hello everyone, Neelam welcomes you at the Rise of Hopes. Students, today we are going to learn how to draft or how to design a poster. This is especially for the class 9 to 12. Those students, be ready for learning your syllabus part, that is posters. How to design poster, how to draft poster. So are you ready with me? Okay, the first thing is that posters are partly invitation and partly advertisement and partly notices. How we can say this? Partly notice है, partly advertisement है, partly invitation है. How we can say this? Because posters are meant for this thing so that it can create awareness for the public interest. It can give make an appeal. It can give an invitation for inviting to that event which is going to be happen in the future. It is also a kind of notice because we at the one time we are giving a lot information to a large group of people. So learners, I think you have understood why we are calling a poster partly notice and partly advertisement, because it's a kind of advertisement of any of the event. It's a kind of notice because it is giving information about any event to a large group of people at one time. Clear? Chalo. It's a useful means making an announcement because it is meant for the less words, catchy phrases, slogans, pictures and the figures. So it can create awareness as well as it's a kind of announcement. It's very catchy. It can attract the eye of the viewer. देखने वाले की eyes को एकदम से attract करता है. Suppose you are passing by the road and there is a poster on the wall nearby the road, then within a view, within a glimpse, you will estimate that about this poster is meant. Okay, and what is the event, and it's a kind of invitation, it's a kind of appeal, or it's a kind of announcement of any product, any event. So it is a useful means making an announcement. एक बहुत अच्छी announcement करते हैं, एक appeal करते हैं लोगों से. Second thing is it's an appeal or invitation. You can call that. Suppose in your city there is a circus. If the circus is there, you will see everywhere there are posters of circus and with some pictures and hardly few words. So when you are passing by in your vehicle by the road, then you will give a look on that poster and you will understand within second. So that poster is inviting you. It's a making an appeal to join, to see, to watch that circus. Isn't it? Yes. To create public awareness, sometime like for blood donation, save waters, save daughter. Okay, so these kind of posters are also of public awareness, which are used for an handy. This is a handy means of creating awareness. लोगों में awareness create करनी है. हम जगह जगह देखते हैं बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अभियान, ठीक है, save water, save forest, save trees, donate blood, donate organs. What are these? These are creating public awareness कि लोगों को aware कर रहे हैं. Donate eye, save life. Okay, with the help of your eyes, one can see the world. Okay, your one drop of the blood can save a life. So all these are creating awareness in the people of the person. Issued by. Now look at the format. We need to write issued by. Who are the authorities or the organization which normally issue posters? Political parties. Suppose elections are coming, then everywhere you will see posters regarding the elections. So political parties, NGOs like Save Water, Donate Blood, these are the task of NGOs, तो वो issue करते हैं. Education department है. Suppose there is any school, any college is holding such kind of event, तो वो क्या करेंगे? एक musical night है, a star night है. They will draft posters and paste it everywhere on the walls in the city or nearby villages. So this is a kind of invitation, this is a kind of appeal and a kind of public interest for creating the awareness among the people. Okay, family welfare departments, like I was saying that save girl, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, this is what? This is family welfare department. Then theme points. what should be the theme points in the poster? आपको क्या क्या इंक्लूड करना है? द फर्स्ट वन इज थीम, टॉपिक एंड इवेंट. आपका इवेंट क्या है, आपका टॉपिक क्या है, आपकी थीम क्या है. सपोज मैंने अभी आपको बताओ सेव ट्रीज, सेव वाटर, सेव डॉटर, ब्लड डोनेशन, आई डोनेशन, ऑर्गन डोनेशन, सो प्लांटेशन ड्राइव, book fair. So such kind of like these are the topics or the events. So you have to mention topic name, theme, then purpose or occasion. What is the purpose for drafting that poster? क्यों डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो, आपका पर्पज़ क्या है, उसके पीछे या ओकेजन क्या है, किस ओकेजन पर. सपोज कि वुमेन डे इज़ अप्रोचिंग नियर बाई, तो आप वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का एक पोस्टर इंक्रीज कर सकते हो ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. लाइक इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज जस्ट अबाउट टू कॉर्नर, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन क्रिएट द फीलिंग्स ऑफ पेट्रियोटिज्म बाय ड्राफ्टिंग अ वेरी कैची एंड द वेरी अट्रैक्टिव पोस्टर among the citizens. You can create awareness about the duties towards your nation, because independence is just about the corner आने वाला है, तो आप उस पर भी कर सकते हैं. So this is occasion and why you are drafting that poster. Then date and time and venue, which event, which topic or which event you are going to organize, for which you are creating public awareness. That's why you need to give proper venue, कहाँ पर किस डेट को वो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज होना है, किस टाइम पर होना है और कहाँ पर प्लेस है, सो दैट द पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दैट इवेंट दे कैन रीच देयर ओन टाइम. आई होप क्लियर. दीज आर द theme points you can include, these are the value points you can include in your poster while preparing poster, while designing poster. Next one is a message of appeal. ध्यान रखना है students that in the poster you need to write less words, use slogans only, use such kind of phrases which are really very appealing and heart touching, जो heart touching होते हैं, like save water, save life, isn't it? Donate blood and save a life. डोनेट आई एंड वन कैन सी द वर्ल्ड विद योर आइज, तो एक पूरे वर्ल्ड को दे सकता है. सो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ मैसेज यू आर मेकिंग अपील टू द पब्लिक. नेक्स्ट वन इज कैची स्लोगन्स. एज वी हैव डिस्क्राइब दैट यू नीड टू राइट कैची स्लोगन्स ओनली, नो नीड टू राइट full lines just like the notice and the advertisement, no need there. Only catchy slogans which can attract the minds of the viewers or the onlookers. Good. The name of the organization and the department. This organization or the department which is drafting that poster, which is issuing that poster or designing that poster. उस पोस्टर को, उस इवेंट को कौन हेल्ड कर रहा है, उस डिपार्टमेंट का नेम आपको मेंशन करना है. देन गिव प्रॉपर स्पेसिंग. सपोज यू आर मेकिंग अ पिक्चर ऑफ ट्री फॉर द सेव ट्रीज. अ ट्री, ओके, वन साइड अ मैन हैविंग एक्स जो काट रहा है, अनदर साइड द रिसाइकिल अर्थ, ग्लोब का आपने फोटो बनाया है, लाइक फॉर अर्थ इज जस्ट shedding its tears on the deforestation. Okay, so such kind of pictures you can make, and you need to make some slogans also. So but it need proper spacing. You have to design. I think you understood that what is the design means. You have to make it very catchy and attractive, different font size of letters. Clear? नेक्स्ट प्रोपोर्शनेट्स हेडिंग्स. जो हेडिंग्स देने हैं आपको प्रोपोर्शनेट होने चाहिए. वन हेडिंग इन द ब्लॉक लेटर्स, दैट हैव अनदर हेडिंग मीन्स मोर फॉन्ट लाइक 14, 16, 28 फॉन्ट साइज होना चाहिए, फिर उससे थोड़ा सा और छोटा, फिर थोड़ा सा और छोटा. तो ऐसे आप प्रोपोर्शनेट हेडिंग्स देंगे. देन मेक स्केचेज एंड फिगर्स. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट यू कैन ड्रॉ पिक्चर्स, you can draw figures, you can draw sketch for making it attractive, and it will give within second the information to the onlooker or the viewer that what about this poster has been drafted or designed. तो एक ही पिक्चर में, एक पिक्चर से ही आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि उसके वो किसके लिए आपने बनाया है. नो नीड टू राइट सो मैनी वर्ड्स. ओके, 50 वर्ड इज द लिमिट ऑफ अ पोस्टर. 50 words is the, but no need to write 50 words. Just try to use in poster more graphics, more sketches and the more slogans rather than simple words and the lines. Okay, and then enclose in the box. So students, your poster is ready to paste on the different spaces. So and for scoring full marks, so learners and the students just pay attention towards these value points. In the next video, we will design a poster on the board and discuss with the value points that here we cover this value point, and in this way we will learn how to design or draft a poster. So stay connected, give your thumbs up, like, share, subscribe our channel, The Rise of Hobbs. Thank you so much.